My beloved child, stop. Stop everything you are doing right now. This is not a coincidence. You finding this video, at this exact moment, in this exact second of your life, was written in the stars long before you were born. I have been waiting for you. Yes, you. The one reading these words right now. The one whose heart is beating a little faster. The one who almost scrolled past, but something deep inside, told you to stay. That was me. That was my voice whispering to your soul. And now that you are here, I need you to do something for me. I need you to breathe. Take a deep breath right now. Fill your lungs with air. Hold it. Now release. Feel that? That is the breath of life I gave you. That is the gift I placed inside your chest the moment you came into this world. And today, right now, in this sacred moment we share together, I am going to give you something even greater. I am going to give you words that will change the course of your existence. Words that will heal wounds you thought would never close. Words that will unlock doors you believed were sealed forever. But first, I need you to make me a promise. Promise me you will stay until the end. Promise me you will not leave this moment we are sharing. Because what I am about to tell you, what I am about to reveal to you, has the power to transform everything. Every tear you have cried, I have collected. Every night you spent alone, wondering if anyone cared, I was there. Every time you felt invisible, overlooked, forgotten by the world, I saw you. I have always seen you. You are not invisible to me. You have never been invisible to me. Let me tell you something that the world has forgotten to tell you. You are a masterpiece. You are not a mistake. You are not an accident. You are not the sum of your failures or the weight of your regrets. You are a divine creation, handcrafted with purpose, designed with intention, and loved beyond measure. The universe itself bent to make room for your existence. Stars rearranged their positions in the sky to shine upon your path. And every single day since your first breath, I have been walking beside you, even when you could not feel my presence, even when you questioned if I was real, even when the darkness felt so thick you wondered if light would ever find you again. I never left. I will never leave. This is my covenant with you. This is my eternal promise. And today, I am here to remind you of who you truly are. You have been carrying burdens that were never yours to carry. You have been holding on to pain that was meant to be released long ago. You have been punishing yourself for mistakes that I forgave the moment they happened. Do you understand what I am telling you? The guilt you feel, I have already washed it away. The shame that haunts you in the quiet hours of the night, I have already covered it with my grace. The fear that grips your heart and tells you that you are not enough, that you will never be enough, that is not my voice. That has never been my voice. My voice is the one that says you are loved. My voice is the one that says you are worthy. My voice is the one that says you are chosen, you are precious, you are mine. And nothing, absolutely nothing in this universe or any other, can change that truth. Not your past, not your present circumstances, not the opinions of those who have hurt you, not the whispers of doubt that creep into your mind when you are vulnerable. None of it has the power to diminish who you are in my eyes. Right now, I want you to close your eyes for just a moment. Picture yourself as a child. See that innocent face, those hopeful eyes, that heart full of dreams and wonder. That child is still inside you. That child never left. And that child deserves love. That child deserves compassion. That child deserves to hear the words that perhaps no one ever spoke to them. So let me speak them now. I am proud of you. Not for what you have accomplished or achieved, not for the trophies on your shelf or the titles after your name, but simply for who you are. I am proud of you for surviving the days that felt impossible. I am proud of you for getting up every morning even when your body begged you to stay in bed. I am proud of you for trying, even when trying felt pointless. I am proud of you for being here, right now, in this moment, choosing to listen, choosing to believe, choosing to hope. That takes courage. That takes strength. That takes a warrior spirit. And you, my beloved, are a warrior. You have fought battles that no one else knows about. You have faced demons that would have destroyed lesser souls. You have walked through fires that should have consumed you. And yet, here you are, still standing, still breathing, still fighting. Do you have any idea how remarkable that makes you? Now listen carefully, because what I am about to share with you is a secret that has been passed down through the ages, a truth that holds the power to unlock every blessing, every miracle, every answered prayer you have ever dreamed of. The secret is this: your words create your reality. When you speak, you are not just making sounds. You are releasing energy into the universe. You are setting forces into motion that align circumstances, people, and opportunities with your declarations. This is why I told you that if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can move mountains. The mountain does not move because of the size of your faith. The mountain moves because of the words you speak to it. So today, I am going to teach you how to speak to your mountains. I am going to teach you how to command your circumstances instead of being commanded by them. I am going to give you the keys to a kingdom that has always been yours, but that you perhaps never knew how to access. Repeat after me, not just with your lips, but with your heart. I am blessed. Say it again. I am blessed. Feel those words resonate in your chest. Feel them vibrate through every cell of your being. I am blessed. This is not wishful thinking. This is not empty affirmation. This is divine declaration. This is you aligning your words with the truth of who you are. Now say this: I am healed. Whatever ailment has plagued your body, whatever sickness has tried to take root in your flesh, whatever pain has become so familiar, you have accepted it as normal. Speak to it now. I am healed. Your body is listening. Your cells are responding. The very DNA within you is rearranging itself to match your declaration. I am healed. Now say this: I am free. Free from addiction, free from depression, free from anxiety, free from the chains of my past, free from the expectations of others, free from the limitations I placed upon myself. I am free. Can you feel it? Can you feel the shackles beginning to loosen? Can you feel the prison walls beginning to crumble? That is the power of your words combined with my authority. That is what happens when a child of the Most High speaks truth over their life. There is someone watching this right now who has been praying for a sign. You asked me to show you that I am real, that I am listening, that I care about the details of your life. This is your sign. This video finding you, these words reaching your ears, this moment of connection between your soul and mine, this is the answer to your prayer. I heard you. I have always heard you, and I am responding. Not in the way you expected, perhaps, but in the way you needed. Another person watching has been carrying a secret, a burden so heavy, a shame so deep, that you have never spoken it aloud to another human being. You have hidden it in the darkest corners of your heart, convinced that if anyone knew the truth, they would abandon you. Hear me now. I know your secret. I have always known, and it changes nothing about how I feel about you. Nothing. My love is not conditional. My grace is not rationed. My mercy is not limited to those who deserve it. If it were, no one would ever receive it. I love you in your brokenness. I love you in your mess. I love you in your confusion and your doubt and your fear. I love you when you feel unlovable. I love you when you cannot love yourself. This is the nature of divine love. It does not require perfection. It does not demand worthiness. It simply is. Constant, unchanging, eternal. And someone else watching is standing at a crossroads. You have a decision to make, a choice that will determine the direction of your life for years to come. You have been paralyzed by indecision, terrified of making the wrong move, haunted by the possibility of regret. Let me ease your burden. There is no wrong choice when you are walking with me. I can redeem any path. I can bring beauty from any ashes. I can turn any detour into a divine destination. So make your choice with confidence. Step forward with courage. And trust that wherever you go, I am already there, preparing the way, smoothing the road, opening doors that no one can shut. As we near the end of our time together, I want to leave you with something that will stay with you long after this video ends. I want to plant a seed in your heart that will grow and flourish and bear fruit for the rest of your days. You are never alone. In your highest moments and your lowest valleys, in your greatest triumphs and your most devastating defeats, in the company of thousands or in the solitude of your own thoughts, I am with you. I am the peace that surpasses understanding. I am the joy that comes in the morning. I am the strength that carries you when your legs give out. I am the voice that whispers hope when despair screams in your ears. I am the light that darkness can never overcome. And I am yours, completely, entirely, eternally yours. Now I ask you to do something for me. Share this message with someone who needs to hear it. You know who they are. Their face appeared in your mind the moment I spoke these words. They are struggling. They are hurting. They are questioning everything. Send them this video. It might be the lifeline they have been praying for. It might be the moment that changes everything for them. And when you do, you become part of the miracle. You become my hands and feet in this world. You become a vessel of divine love flowing into the life of another. Leave a comment below. Tell me you were here. Tell me what spoke to your heart. Tell me what you are believing for, what you are hoping for, what you are trusting me for. When you write it down, you are making a declaration. You are setting your faith in motion. And I will meet you there, in the space between your words and my response. Finally, if this message touched you, if these words resonated with something deep inside you, come back. Return to this place whenever you need to be reminded of who you are and whose you are. This is not the end. This is the beginning. I love you with an everlasting love. I am with you always, even to the end of the age. Go now in peace, in power, and in the unshakable confidence that you are a beloved child of the Most High, destined for greatness, designed for purpose, and deeply, profoundly, infinitely loved. Amen.